Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere alternative in continuing our series on keywords everywhere Chrome extension or keyword everywhere keyword research tool. Okay, so now for a lot of reasons, and one of the reasons has been the fact that keyword everywhere has come to become a fully blown paid keyword research tool, as opposed to when it was free, when it was a free extension. So a lot of people that cannot afford to pay for it, even though as cheap as affordable as it is, have been looking for alternative that can be free. Okay, so now in this video, we're going to be talking about keywords everywhere extension alternative. And the first one in our list is Suvo. Okay, Suvo is an alternative keyword research tool that you can use. Okay, so Suvo is a customizable agent that provides the suggestion from all major search engine providers in one place. Okay, so it helps you for keyword research and all that. I won't be going deep into Suvo and how you can use it and all that, but it's the number one on our list. And the next one that we're going to be looking at is SEO Stack. Okay, SEO Stack is also another wonderful keyword tool for you to use. And beautifully, it's also a Chrome extension that you can install on your browser and get statistics right on your browser. And the number three in our list is Keyword Sheeter. Okay, so Keyword Sheeter. Okay, so Keyword Sheeter is also another beautiful keyword research extension that you can use that will provide value just as keyword everywhere. That is number three in our list. Then the number four in our list is Ubersuggest. Okay, Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest also has a Chrome extension that you can use to discover keywords. And the next one on our list is WordStream. Okay, WordStream. That's the next one on our list. So let's go ahead and check WordStream. So WordStream is also another beautiful keyword tool that you can use for your keyword research. And the next one we're going to look into is LSI graph. Okay, so LSI graph. So that's another beautiful semantic keyword generation tool that you can use for your keyword research. And the next one is Keyword Surfer. Okay, Keyword Surfer. So Keyword Surfer is also a Chrome extension and does exactly the same thing, almost the same thing that Keyword Everywhere does. And the two beautiful and the last one I'm going to mention here, number 9 and number 10, is Live Keyword. Okay, we're going to look into Live Keyword. Live Keyword is a Chrome extension just like Keyword Everywhere, and it beautifully integrates into your browser and shows statistics right there on your browser as you are using it. So Live Keyword, and the last one but not the least is What's My SEP. Okay, What's My SEP. So What's My SEP 2 is another beautiful Chrome extension. So this is the extension on the Chrome store. So this is it. The extension helps you, it shows you statistics in real time, just like keyword everywhere. So you can see the statistics there. You can install it from Play Store, and the same thing with What's My SEP. Okay, so you can even see the statistics of the days. You can add keyword, you can export keyword, and so on and so forth. So guys, this is the alternative. These are keywords everywhere alternative you can switch to, you can use, and you'll also get the fabulous result that you've been getting with keyword everywhere. So that'll be all for now, guys. I expect to see you in our next video. Bye for now.